Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Squid 65. Squid 65 can be served as a side dish or as a starter. Either way it's yummy. Here I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. Here we have cleaned the squid, peeled it, washed it, cut it into rings and reserved it. We'll be using half an egg which is beaten and reserved, orange food color, half a lime, ginger and garlic paste. Here I'll be using chicken tikka masala or tandoori chicken masala. You can use chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala. This is for the marination. For the batter I'll be adding rice flour, all-purpose flour and corn flour. For the marination, to the squid we have added lime juice. We'll be adding ginger and garlic paste, half an egg which is beaten and reserved. We will be adding the spice powders, chicken tikka masala, garam masala, chili powder and turmeric powder. We'll add the egg and the orange food color. I've not added salt. We'll add the salt just before frying it. So we need to mix all of this and allow it to marinate for 10 minutes maximum. That's it. You can prepare it in a jiffy. If you allow it to marinate a little bit, you want to marinate it for half an hour, then don't add your lime juice. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will link to my blog. In the blog I've posted a return recipe. Here I've added a teaspoon of rice flour, a teaspoon of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of corn flour. I'll combine all the three flours in the marination, and at this point just before frying I'll add the salt. Once you add your salt, you need to fry it right away. So make sure you place a wok with enough oil for frying and then you add the salt to the fish. Otherwise it goes soggy. That's sort of experience I found out. So just before frying I've added salt, mixed it once, and I've also added extra corn flour. Now my oil is nice and hot. At this point I'll be adding the squid one at a time in the hot oil, and we just need to fry it for a minute's time on each side. That's it. Do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will also be listed in the description box below this video, along with my Tamil channel link. Here I have fried the squid for a minute's time on each side. The squid was very tender. It's fried to perfection. I'm just going to drain it from the oil. and serve it as hot as possible. Crispy squid is ready. Really turned out good. Do give this recipe a try, friends. All the links to my social media and blog will be listed in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Bye bye.